Magandang buhay, mabuting tao. Doon sa mga nakaraang pagsosolve natin ng right triangle, ang given ay one acute angle and one side. Pero ngayon, in solving right triangle, given the two sides. For example, ang side A natin ay equivalent sa 20 cm and side B is equal to 21 cm. Solve the following. First, solve natin ang side C. Pangalawa, angle A. At ang pangatlo ay yung angle B. To solve for side C, dahil given natin ang dalawang side, unang iisipin natin, pwedeng solve yung C using Pythagorean theorem. Para ma-solve natin ang C, gagamit tayo ng formula na C is equal to square root of A squared plus B squared. Sa-substitute natin ang value ng A na 20 at saka yung value ng B na 21. Kaya C is equal to square root of 20 squared plus 21 squared. Pag kinuha natin ang value ng 20 squared, magiging 400. 20 times 20, 400. And 21 squared, 21 times 21, 441. I-add natin ng 400 at saka 441. Kaya maging value ng C ay square root of 841. Gamit ang scientific calculator, pag kinuha natin ang square root of 841, kaya maging value natin ng C ay equivalent sa 29 cm. Para ma-solve natin ang angle A, meron na tayong value ng C. C is equal to 29 cm. Yung tatlong sides ng right triangle ABC, A is equal to 20, B is equal to 21, C is equal to 29 cm. Pwede tayong gumamit ng sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Pwede rin tayong gumamit ng cosine is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. At pwede rin naman tayong gumamit ng tangent, opposite over adjacent. Ang pinili ko ay paggamit ng cosine. Kung gagamit ako ng cosine, yung pangalawang trigonometric function ang gagamitin ko, which is cosine is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Dahil gagamit ako ng adjacent over hypotenuse para makuha ko si angle A, cosine A is equal to adjacent, which is 21, over hypotenuse, which is 29. Para makuha ko si angle A, gamit ang scientific calculator, ipapress lang natin ang shift. Next ay cosine. Next, open parenthesis. Dahil meron tayong 21 over 29, ibig sabihin noon, 21 divided by 29, then close parenthesis. Then press equals. Kaya magiging value natin ng angle A is equal to 43.60281897 degree. I-round off natin sa 1 decimal places. Kaya magiging answer natin, angle A is equal to 43.6 degree. Para ma-solve natin si angle B, lagi nating tatandaan na ang angle A and angle B sa right triangle are complementary angles. Ibig sabihin, the sum of angle A and angle B is equal to 90 degree. To get the value of angle B, we must subtract the value of angle A to 90 degree. Means 90 degree minus 43.6. Then angle B is equal to 46.4 degree.